Hey everybody, this is ClowchTech doing my first xCode tutorial. This is going to be a real basic one that just kind of covers using navigation controllers and making buttons and just like a really easy no code yet kind of thing. So we're going to come here and create a new xCode project. I'm using the newest version. I think it's 4.4. If you're in 4.3 or 4.2 or whatever, it's going to say something like view-based application, storyboard, something. Use that. I'm in this one. It's going to be master detail application. So you go next. You're going to have your product name. I'm just going to call it Cloak. And you're going to make it for the iPhone, iPad, whatever you're going to do. I use storyboards, all this. Make sure this is all checked for this tutorial. And you're going to say next. You're going to save it wherever the hell you want to save it. And create, and there we go. So first off, we're gonna go to the main storyboard. Here in my version of xCode, I have the navigation controller set up with a relationship right here. This is already set up now. For those of you who are new to xCode, this is your storyboard right here. Everything over here is just kind of like your main navigation to different places to implement your code. Like it's trying to keep it real basic right now to not really get into that, but up here is quick run it, select your device you're testing it on. Over here is going to be where you're dragging all the interface stuff onto the thing, and over here is your media library where like pictures you make, anything you make comes from right here. And for the basic stuff, that's kind of all I'm going to show you right now. So if you're not on my version of xCode, you're going to have to set up this navigation control yourself. So just come on in here, make this a little bit smaller, easier to see. Come over here, you're going to type nav, and the navigation controller will pop up. I already have it there, but that's what it does. And then you're going to want to right click and drag over to here, set a relationship. Already done for me, I'm not doing it. You're going to zoom in on your master view controller. I'm going to rename it. You can double click up there. You can rename whatever you want. I'm naming it ClowchTech. Now, so you're going to come over here. Obviously, everything back here is just customizable to whatever you're going to make it. I'll show you an example of what I made with this button stuff. You're going to tap in but, because that's just easier. You're going to place it here. Double click anywhere. I'm going to name this push me, and now you're going to come back you're going to type down here view, zoom out a little bit. I don't like this, is just something. Put in the view controller, double click, and now I'm just going to make this background like green, because I like green. Now you're going to take the push me button, you're going to right click, drag, and you're going to say push. Now there's a push relationship between these two things. Drag it up there. What did I name this? Cloak. Alright, we're going to run. Build succeed. Here's my little iPhone. And as you can see, we got ClowchTech. This is all stuff that's changeable. This is just like this stat like thing. Push me, now we got green. Now we can go back really easily with this. Okay, so you can have as many buttons as you want on a page, as many view controllers coming off of it. Just a quick example, here's a puzzle app I'm working on. Got the main screen right here. You come up, like there's a button right here for game info. You go back, there's a button right here for help. Button right here for the puzzles. Here's the individual puzzles themselves. So it all works really nice, and it's a really easy, for those of you who aren't really into coding things, it's a really easy way to have a nice app being set up with very minimal to no code. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment and subscribe. Tell me what other tutorials you'd like to see, and I'll see you later.